정도 잔디 beautiful Taipa beautiful Taipa village slices of Macau. Oh, Macau. Walking around in Largo, Governador, Tamagnini, Barbosa. Largo, Governador, Tamagnini, Barbosa. Beautiful Largo, Governador, Tamagnini, Barbosa. Largo, Governador, Tamagnini, Barbosa. Slices of Macau, walking around in Macau. Oh, walking around in Macau. Walking around in Largo, Governador, Tamagnini, Barbosa. Largo, Governador, Tamagnini, Barbosa. Beautiful Largo, Governador, Tamagnini, Barbosa. Largo, Governador, Tamagnini, Barbosa.
Okay, so we're gonna do this little plaza right here. This plaza includes this space. We're gonna talk about those chairs over there. Those are new. City ordinance allows more chairs out. We're gonna see what that's all about. And we're also gonna walk along here and see all these lights, because that's also part of our square. And then we're gonna go over to here and see all the people taking photos along the Macau sign. So we're gonna systematically show you what it's all about. And let's put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are before we begin. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay. So I guess the first thing we'll do is we're gonna go to this side and we're gonna, let's just kind of take a look. These are kind of iconic. The trees are definitely very Macauish, but so are these Fanta things right here too. So there's these old bottles, and sometimes you'll see them as souvenirs. There's another one here too, the Coca-Cola one. Then over on that side is a temple. We will try to walk over there as well. So that's the kind of the popular tourist street. And then this one is actually the same name, but it's the street. So we're on the Largo, but this is Hua. I'm gonna take a picture of this beautiful shrine right here. Yeah. Step back a little bit. We also have some other, there's a little bit of a hilltop right there. And then there's, this used to be part of the shrine too, and then there's a little mural. So there's another street that just goes all the way down with these beautiful trees. So it just follows all the way down like that. Beautiful banyan trees. So we're gonna go back to the park here. There's that space. The lighting is just about perfect right now too. This beautiful building. I think this is a museum, so you can walk in and take a look at it. And we are going to be going down this street in a moment. That beautiful looking street. I'll talk about those chairs in a moment. And then this goes into this type of village area. So you have all these little alleys everywhere. So this kind of meanders about, and it's quite picturesque. Macau beer as well. Okay, so let's go back around the corner. And then these ones, there's city ordinance to allow more seating to be outside, because a lot of people love being outside in Macau. The weather is perfect. It's kind of cool. A lot of these also have artwork too. So our Largo has lots of artwork. So yeah, we're on the Largo right there. So you can get these pork chop buns, and I can get them outside. Before you couldn't eat them outside, you had to go inside. But now they're available. Okay, we'll just kind of get some detail in here. Oh, it's beautiful. This is that, I believe. It's maybe not. Looks like kind of similar design. Here's type of houses, type of museum houses right there. So kind of a cool space. Okay, so we are going to go into this space here, which is also part of the Largo. We'll walk into there. And there's the school right behind it here. It's kind of interesting. So fountain right there as well. Let's see. 2005 donation. I think I saw something about this in another place. Here it is, the four goddesses. Simplicity, temperance, charity, and goodness. And there's another one of these on the Macau side as well.
Hey.
And then we have all these nice restaurants all down here too. So this whole row has all these restaurants, including there's a Janela. I think this is a new one. Janela ice cream shop that's been around a long time. Okay. And we are going to go down there in a moment, but we're going to come back and kind of capture more down here before we do. Okay. Okay. So let's go on down like this. That restaurant is kind of well known. I see it's called like Bistro and Wine. So some people come down there. Nice beautiful park right there. We are going to go over to, I like it with that tree right there. Amazing. We are going to go, we're going to end it in a moment. Then we have this over here, so we're going to come over here as well. So this just goes in Taipa village right here. Some beautiful potted plants right there as well. our little area. And then this is going to be the last place we're going to film. It's right around here. So this has a little Macau thing right there. So people will stand in line for that. Okay. So let's go back this way. Oops. And that basically completes our little Largo. Let me just skip past the people, then we're gonna focus on it, and then we'll end our video. So there it is, right there. It's that whole little space. I think it looks better if we got a little bit closer as an ending shot. Let's just go right. I think those are fake flowers. No, those are real flowers. I can see some petals that fell. Okay. So there we go. Governador Tamagnini, Barbosa.